Hey everyone, welcome to Vibes Worldwide. Today we're taking a walk through the stunning Caldicot Castle, located in the beautiful Monmouthshire, Wales in United Kingdom. While the interior is closed at the moment, there's still plenty to see outside. Let's explore this medieval marvel together. As we make our way closer to the castle, take a moment to appreciate the moat that surrounds this historic fortress. It was once an essential part of the castle's defenses, designed to keep enemies at a distance. These days, the moat creates a peaceful setting for the castle, adding to its charm. Here we have the impressive gatehouse, the grand entrance to Caldicot Castle. Built with thick stone walls and narrow openings, this gatehouse was both a defensive stronghold and a symbol of power. Can you imagine the medieval warriors who would have stood guard here hundreds of years ago? Walking around the castle's outer walls, you can see how well it was built to withstand time and attacks. These thick stone fortifications were designed to protect the castle, while the towers served as both defensive positions and the home for the noble family that once lived here. Let's take a moment to enjoy the breathtaking view from the castle's exterior. From here, you can see the rolling hills and lush greenery of the Welsh countryside. The castle's strategic location allowed its inhabitants to look out over the land, keeping a watchful eye over the surrounding area. As we walk along the edge of the moat, you can get a sense of the castle's powerful defenses. In the past, the water here would have been a strong barrier to any attackers, making this one of the more secure castles in Wales. Inspection. that wraps up our walking tour of the exterior of Caldicot Castle. I hope you've enjoyed exploring this beautiful slice of Welsh history with us. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more adventures right here on Vibes Worldwide. See you next time, and keep vibing.